Here's some more complex number practice, this time subtraction. 3 plus J12 minus 2 plus J10. In this case, it's fairly simple and straightforward. 3 minus 2 is 1. J12 minus J10 is J2. Let's try another one, a little more difficult. 4 plus J5 minus 2 minus J6. When you encounter something like that, what I like to do is consider it as an addition problem and simply reverse the signs of the lower value. So what we get is 4 plus J5 plus, we reverse the sign of the minus 2, we get a 2. We reverse the sign of the minus J6, we get a plus J6. Now we can simply add them and get 6 plus J11. Going back and looking at this, 4 minus a minus 2 is 6. Although that's a convoluted way to get there, and it confuses me. That's why I like to do it this way. J5 minus a minus J6. Remember, subtracting a negative is like adding a positive 6 plus J11. If you don't have a problem with that kind of sign manipulation, good for you. You're lucky. Remember, again, J equals the positive square root of minus 1. That is known also as the J operator. Some mathematicians write it as I. We usually write the J before the real number coefficient. For example, J5. If we have a negative real number coefficient, we write, for example, negative J5, which means J times negative 5. Mathematicians will put the I after the real number coefficient. So these numbers would, in that notation, look like 5I, and this would look like minus 5I. In that case, you don't have to move the sign. Remember, though, it's very important to remember that J and minus J are two entirely different beasts. Let's do a little bit more in the realm of subtraction problems. 7 minus J3 minus 3 plus J4. Now once again, the way I like to do it is to reverse the signs of the numbers on the bottom and then add 7 minus J3 plus minus 3 minus J4, which gives us 7 plus a minus 3 is 4, minus 3 plus a minus J4 is minus J7. Try another one. Minus 5 minus J8 minus 10 minus J3. If that isn't a mess, I don't know what is. There's no way I could ever possibly comprehend subtraction with those signs, so let's change it. Minus 5 minus J8. I'm just a simple-minded guy. Change that to a plus 10. Change this to a plus J3. Now we can add. Minus 5 plus 10 is 5. Minus J8 plus J3 is minus J5. So once again, remember, you can change subtraction to addition. All you need to do is reverse the signs of all of these lower numbers. Reverse both the real number part and the imaginary number part. Remember, can you tell that I am learning how to use this pen input device? Don't worry, there's nowhere to go but up. I'll get better. До свидания.